Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to replace the battery on a Freelander 2 key fob. So what you'll need is your key fob, a new battery, a soldering iron, maybe a solder sucker and some solder, and a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing to do is to remove the key from the actual key fob, and to do that you just press this and it will pull out. Okay, next thing you need to do is to break apart the actual fob itself, and just use a small flat screwdriver into this recess here, give it a bit of a tweak and it will come out. So just get the flathead screwdriver, put it in a little recess, give it a little tweak, and it all comes apart. So just discard the plastic for a minute, and then here's the circuit board. Now the battery is soldered in and it has two pins. So one pin is directly under here. If you look around the back you can see this one here, and the other pin is this one here. And if you turn it over you can see there. So what we need to do is just desolder these. Probably the easiest thing to do is to use a solder sucker, because then you can clear it out and you can give the battery a nice pull without damaging any of the tracks. So that's what we're going to do next. So here's my solder sucker, so just verify that's the pin we want. There you go. Sure, there you go. Just a little bit more on there. Okay. And the next one is this one here. Okay. There you go. Once you get one side off, then you can just pull it out. Maybe not. There you go. There you go. And you'll find the last one I did, the small leg normally snaps off anyway, but the bigger leg comes out. Okay. Right, so just make sure that with the small leg left in there, you just clear it out. You can see. Okay. There it is. Right. So you have your two holes. So make sure the holes are clear before you put the new battery in. So the new battery just goes back in the same way. Just remember the correct orientation. The big hole obviously is for the big leg, small hole for the small leg. So when you push it in, just make sure the legs do come through. Let's see. Do that again. Right, once you've got the two pins in, just make sure they're nice and straight. They're not kind of short. Okay. And then just give them a bit of solder. side. That's fine. Okay. That's that done, and then just need to put it back in the case. So it goes in, where's it? Obviously there. You can see, looking at the where the hazard light is where that cutout is, and then you just put it back on, snap it down, put the emergency key back in, and there you go, one finished keyring, and then we just test it. Yeah, I can hear the car blocking outside. There you go. If you thought this video was helpful, please like, comment, and think about subscribing to my channel. Plenty more Land Rover stuff coming, and various other cars, and maybe some even DIY. Thanks, see you next time.